Running low on storage space on your Windows PC. Microsoft PC Manager includes built-in storage management tools that help you remove unnecessary files, identify large files, and recover valuable disk space. In this guide, I'll show you how to free up storage with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several system optimization tools. Next, select Storage Management. This section provides tools for cleaning temporary files, locating large files, and managing storage more efficiently. Start a storage scan and let Microsoft PC Manager analyze your computer. The scan looks for temporary files, cached data, recycle bin contents, and other items that may no longer be needed. Review the scan results and select the files you'd like to remove. It's a good idea to double-check the categories before deleting anything to make sure you don't remove files you still need. Next, use the Large Files feature to locate files that are taking up significant storage space. If you no longer need them, you can delete them or move them to another drive or cloud storage. After the cleanup is complete, return to the storage overview and check how much space has been recovered. Performing this maintenance regularly can help keep your computer organized and running more efficiently. And that's how to free up storage with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. Regularly cleaning unnecessary files and managing large files helps keep your Windows PC fast, organized, and ready for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.